Today, let's talk about the skills that you need to get the job that you want. Whatever industry you are looking to join, I think there are only a handful of skills that you need to get into it. I have compiled the most important skills which I think you should have. The most important skill, in my opinion, is good communication. So, what do we mean by good communication? You should be able to convey your message to the other person. That's number one. And number two, you should also be a good listener. So if someone wants to convey something to you, you have to lend an ear to that person, and that is what enables a good communication between the two parties. Also, while you are communicating, what is important is you are communicating with your full self, with your whole body. Your body language is important, in fact more important than the words that you speak. So communication skills are the number one skill, or the number one in the priority list of skills that you should have. The second important skill is creativity. So whatever job you are doing, it doesn't matter how much you have read, what's the number of your degrees, because every time you have a new task on the job, you have to be creative to be able to solve the problem. So creativity and maybe analytical thinking is the second important skill on the priority list. Number third, in my opinion, the number third after communication and analytical skills is the quick learning ability. So you have to be able to learn new stuff every day. Someone has said that in the 21st century, you have to be able to learn and unlearn and relearn at a very fast speed, because what's happening is these days some skill or some technology which was important or which was state of the art in the last year, this year that becomes legacy. So you have to be able to learn or pick up new things very fast. Number four, the important skill that you should have is a set of these interpersonal skills. You should be caring towards your teammates. You should be able to motivate them in times of adversity, where work pressure is high, or they have a family problem or whatever. So you have to have that empathy. You have to be friends with your teammates, and that's how you get the best of the results. So interpersonal skills are very important. And last of all, the fifth, I think, are the technical skills required for the job. So when it comes to technology jobs these days, you have to be IT proficient. So IT skills are very important. Whatever job you want to go into, so there are some basic computer skills that you should have. Now depending on whatever the job you have, these skills can vary, but there's still a basic set of computer skills that you should have. You should be able to use a personal computer, use a laptop. You should be able to search the internet, and then depending on whatever your job is, for example, if you're thinking of becoming a software engineer or a data scientist, the set of skills that you need will go specific. But then for whatever job you are looking for these days, there are some basic computer skills that you need. So that's the number 5, and in fact the last on the list. If you like the content, please subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos. Thank you.